Well, welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. Welcome to the 51st video with our AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Prep series. Today, we'll be looking at question 51 of the exam prep. Now let's jump right into it. A quick reminder that this video will be split into three different parts. The analysis stage, where we analyze the question. The knowledge stage, where we explore all the key knowledge points this question has to offer. And the solution stage, where we take a look at the answer to the question. Let's first hop into the analysis stage. So here is the question that we're going to be doing today. Take a quick minute and pause the video here to read it. Are you done? Fantastic. The first step in solving a big, complicated looking question like this one is to find out what it's asking. And here, I've highlighted the key points of this question that explains what kind of answer we should look for. The first thing we see highlighted in yellow is the phrase, extract these shopping statistics. Organize the data into easy-to-read HTML format and send the report to several email addresses at the same time every morning. From this phrase, we can see exactly the way the question wants us to manipulate the data. The second thing that is highlighted in yellow is choose two, which tells us that this question is a multi-choice question, and you should choose two answers instead of the usual one. Now, time for the knowledge section of this question. The first piece of information you should know is what is REST API. An API, usually in HTTPS or HTTP, is used for a client to consume a service from the provider. And ETL, or extract, transform, load, extracts data from multiple data sources, transforms data into another format, and load the data to a destination. Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose is an AWS service that provides near real-time ETL with large amounts of real-time data streaming. Finally, Glue is an AWS service providing ETL. Now that we know what the question is about and what the key knowledge points mean, let's move on to the solution. So here, we can once again see the question, and we can first eliminate option A, because this question does not require real-time data processing, which means Kinesis solution is not required. We can then eliminate option C, because Glue is an ETL solution and is not suitable for generating report data. We can lastly eliminate option E, because missing tools to query the data and generate report. This leaves option B and D as the only options left standing. And if we check it over, we can see that it is indeed viable because SES can create HTML format reports and send emails, and Lambda can query the API for the data. Thank you guys for watching this video of UTech Exam Prep. And if you made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, you probably enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if that is true, can you do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel? It will really mean the world to me. Thank you.